Nikupa sunpa chole zanpa hichi ninunung lam to kisam kai Vannoi nitin hamsetna so ho kita lang na channel hi nang dia apat na hi le subscribe lang notification bell clicking in.
This incident happened on April 26, 2026. Cyclone YLVI struck Belarus, bringing Arctic cold, strong winds, and snowfall. The most severe conditions were observed in Brest, where sunny skis, hurricane-force winds, and a blizzard were experienced overnight. Eyewitnesses posted videos of a dense wall of snow covering the city. Snowfalls were also recorded in Grodno, Novogrudok, Slutsk, Kolichi, as well as in the Minsk and Mogilov regions. In the Grodno region, a near-winter landscape was observed in some areas. An orange warning level was issued throughout the country. Wind gusts reached 15-20 ms, in some places up to 24 ms due to the blizzard and sleet. Visibility on the roads was sharply reduced. Drivers were warned of the high risk of driving, especially on summer tires. By evening, the wind in Brest had weakened, but precipitation continued. Thunderstorms were reported in some areas, and frosts down to degrees C were expected on the night of April 27. This incident happened on April 26, 2026 at Moldavia region. Powerful storms struck eastern Romania, causing widespread destruction and loss of life. An orange weather alert was issued for the counties of Vaslui and Iași. Wind gusts in the historical region of Moldova exceeded 90 km/h, reaching 120 km/h in mountainous areas. The most tragic incident occurred in the town of Husi. There, hurricane-force winds tore off a portion of the roof of a residential building, covering more than 150 square meters. Roof debris fell on a passerby. He died instantly from his injuries. The storm affected 56 settlements in 14 counties across the country. 51 residential properties, including apartment buildings and private homes, were damaged. The storm toppled dozens of trees and power line supports and damaged cars. More than 35,000 customers in 138 communities were left without power. Additional damage was reported in Vaslui County, where a large fire broke out in the village of Rukini due to strong winds. The fire quickly spread through a densely populated area and engulfed 18 homes. There were also casualties in other regions. In the city of Târgu Frumos, a woman was injured by a falling tree branch. A similar incident occurred in Timișoara. In Iași, a half-marathon was cancelled due to adverse weather conditions. This natural disaster was one of the most severe weather events of the spring, affecting a significant portion of the country and causing widespread consequences.
Haideți mă băieți mă!
Vă salut, sir.
This incident happened on April 26, 2026 in Ukraine. Ukraine was hit by severe weather caused by a cold front. Squalls of up to 25-30 ms, thunderstorms, and localized hail were recorded across the country. Dust storms were reported in the south, and sleet even fell in some western regions. 3 people died, a woman in Cherkasy and men in the Zakarpattia and Zaporizhzhia regions. In all cases, trees fell on them. Several others were injured, including a child in Moldavia in serious condition, and an elderly woman in Kharkiv. Strong winds toppled trees en masse, blew off roofs, and damaged infrastructure. In Lviv and the surrounding region, fallen trees blocked streets and traffic, leaving dozens of communities without power. In the Ivano-Frankivsk region, buildings and cars were damaged, leaving tens of thousands of customers without power. Similar power outages and damage occurred in the Rivne, Volyn, and Ternopil regions. In the south of the country, in the Odessa and Mykolaiv regions, dust storms were observed. Trees fell onto roads and cars, and balconies and power lines were damaged. In the Kherson region, protective structures were also damaged. In Kiev, the storm was accompanied by heavy rain, hail, and squalls, which damaged buildings and cars, as well as a historic tree, the Ivashenko chestnut. In Kharkiv, the wind tore off roofs, stopped electric vehicles, and partially lost power. Localized damage was reported in Kryvyi and other cities. A total of 1,121 settlements were left without power. Rescue services made approximately 176 response missions, deploying over 600 rescuers and approximately 150 pieces of equipment. The severe weather affected at least 13 regions and caused serious disruptions to transportation and public services. According to forecasters, adverse weather conditions will persist in the coming days.